Hi guys and welcome to my channel Me the Funny, and if you have not subscribed my channel so please subscribe it. Me the Funny, Sejal Upadhyay, and see this red button for subscribing, see this, and this thumbs up for liking the video, and you can share it also with this share option. So subscribe my channel, like the video and share it. So in this video I am going to show you some hair hacks. So I will use this chopping comb. It is called chopping comb, but it is a type of clip not used for chopping, and just see, you can use it in a very easy way, and you can put it in any hairstyle also to make your hairstyle more stylish and unique. So just see. Then comb your hair a little bit and your hairstyle is ready and it is looking very nice. And one more way is there and I will show that also. So the second way to use this is like when you have made a bun and you have to make it more stylish and more beautiful. So you can put it like I will just do, and you can see this. So just see. Firstly, make a ponytail. Just one minute. See. Then, so when you have made the ponytail, just then roll the hair just like this. Roll, 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 roll. Then make it like this, like a bun. Then use a rubber band instead of a clip, because clip will not look nice. Then after you have made like a bun like this, just see. Then put it inside it. Not here. Here. Just see. So this was the second, like this. If you can, this was the first hairstyle, and now I'm going to show you the second hairstyle. So the second hairstyle. So it is a very easy hairstyle and you can make it in 5 minutes. And when you are seeing the video, so please see till the end, and if you want to skip some parts, so you can skip the parts. So firstly, you can take the center partition or side partition. I am taking the side partition like this, and if you want to take the center partition, you can take. Then take some part of the right portion like this. Then you have to make some plates like this. Make it till the end portion, like this. Then take a rubber band, and I'm leaving some hair so it will look good. So the hairstyle is ready, and you can use some beads also to make it more stylish, and you can use one clip also to do like this. So it will look like a hairband, like this. Okay, and like this. Just see. It's looking like a hairband and very beautiful hairstyle, and easy also.